Hey guys, welcome to Drinks with Niche. Let's make a Desi Collins.
So this rather unique bottle has actually been around in Delhi since the late 1800s. Started as a carbonated lemonade, and of course we didn't have openers or bottle caps then, so we would pop the marble to open the soda. It's called Banta or Goti Soda or Goli Soda. Goti in Hindi means ball. So let's go ahead and make a Desi Collins with Banta or Goli Soda. You start with 45 mils of gin. What I'm using here is Jodhpur Indian gin. Add a bit of rock salt. Stir to chill the gin. And then go ahead and pop the Goli, and top your glass with the liquid and give it a good stir. And in true Desi style, squeeze 1/4 of a lime and then garnish with lime, and there you go, the Desi Collins. Nostalgia.